Ew, I just spit. I just be buying shit that I don't need, but you know. Dashing through the snow. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney Lake. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually not British, but I just been watching a lot of British YouTubers and I just kind of wish I was British sometime. Anyway, hello everyone. My name's Courtney Lake. Alright, so I am talking super fast because we have the biggest Christmas decor, cups, whatever, home decor, I don't even know, mug on the face of the earth, okay? Haul. We have the biggest Christmas haul on the face of the earth, okay? Okay, so everybody grab your tea. I've got my pomegranate one in my cute little cup. Oh, it's too hot. Let me fake drink it. And Christmas is upon us, okay? We do not have time. Also, make sure you go watch my Hobby Lobby shop with me if you're interested in Hobby Lobby. It was the first time I've ever been to Hobby Lobby. Anyway, I'm running my mouth. Let's get into this haul. I am so hyped. Ignore what you see in the background. I'm at my parents' house right now, but by the time Christmas comes, I will be in my own apartment. If you are watching this video and you haven't been to the Target Dollar Spot yet or Bullseye's Playground, stop what you're doing. After you're done watching my video all the way through. Ew, I just spit. So let's get started. First, I found this cute little pillow. It really serves no purpose, let's be real. It's completely for decoration. They have 3 different ones. They have a green one with gold hearts. I think they have a blue one with gold, maybe trees or maybe plaid, I don't remember. So I wanted to get this. I'll probably put this on my bed just to add a little flair. You can honestly use this throughout the entire winter. It's not just Christmas, so that's that. It was $5, so yeah, there's that. Next, I got this dashing through the snow. Next, I got this dashing through the snow sign. I just really like this. I thought it was really simplistic and really pretty. If you're doing like a farmhouse style, you could totally do this. I feel like this will match with a lot of design styles. It was only $3 and it's really good quality. So everybody, get that for everybody. It has a little hook on the back. And that's that, $3. Again, super cheap. I have 2,000 like Christmas socks and slippers and just everything, but I always gotta get more every year. So these are these pretty little, oh, there's fuzz on them, little like candies on them, and they're fuzzy in the inside. These were $5. They have a couple different colors as well, but I just loved the pink and red. You'll see throughout this, I love pink and gray and all that, so a lot of stuff is gonna be in this color palette. Next, I got this candle. This was $5, so kind of pricier for this candle. It is, what's the flavor? Fair Isle? Is that the flavor? I don't know. I don't know what that means, but I really liked it. Well, I just thought it was cute. I don't really like the scent, but I just kind of like the way that this looks. So I don't even know if I'm gonna burn this. I honestly might just put it somewhere for decoration. One more thing, it was so little. This little tiny ornament, the Dollar Spot actually has a bunch of different ornaments for $1. So if you're looking for stuff to put on your tier tray, or if you're just looking for little extra ornaments to like fill your tree, they have ornaments for $1. I know recently ornaments have gotten so expensive where like one pretty ornament is like $9 at Target. Okay, hold on. My dad just walked in with the giant sleigh. So I got this mug. I think I did crack it a little bit, but I don't really care. But it's basically like little candy canes. I really like anything that has to do with like candy canes and sweets and like gingerbread houses. So but yeah, this was $3. The handle is really small, so I'll probably just use this at home. It's also glass. I don't think I'll actually travel with this. This is really cute. I just got it. I honestly might even use it for decoration, but I just feel like it will look so cute with like whipped cream and little candy canes on top. I got this super cute little cup. So they have these in about 3 different colors. I think they have like a chromey rose gold. I think they have a red, and I think they have like a sagey green. But I just really like the gold color because I am doing gold. So I felt like it was really classic. This one just says Merry and Bright. This was $5 and is a traveling wine. mug or it's just like a wine mug. I don't know if it's traveling or not, but I love stuff like this. All right, so next I got these tea lights. I mean, not tea lights, fairy lights. Have you guys seen these? Oh my god, they're the cutest thing in the world. I have been like stalking like Instagram pages and looking for what's new at Target, and I hadn't seen anybody with these. So when I walked in and saw them, it was kind of a surprise, and I was like, oh, I wish I would have thought of this idea myself. These are gonna be so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, like maybe over my window or like somewhere. I don't know. They were like either $3 or $5. I don't know, but a really good price for something like that. Next, I got this little garland. I want to do like a gingerbready, like Santa's like bakery or something. So I got these. They are just these cute little garlands. I think these were $3 as well. They're just these cute little garlands with different houses on them. Can you guys see that? And then they just have white glitter on the top. So they're really cute because I am doing like a little bit of exposed wood. So I thought these were a really cute way to do a gingerbready or like a kind of little cozy-ish theme. I'm not sure where all these garlands are going, but you know, I'll find a way or I'll layer them up. More is more, right? Like, more is definitely more. I'm a more is more kind of person, and I'm so excited to have my own place because my mom is a less is more kind of person. So I'm so excited to put like Christmas in every inch of my apartment. So yeah. All right. This mug. Do you guys see this mug? It is the cutest thing. It's just like a little stocking mug, and I think it was $5. It's by the brand Opal House, and it's so cute. All right, guys. Next order of business is these little houses. So Target do plain ones for fall, but they added like rose gold and gold to their Christmas ones, and they come with little candles in the inside. They have 3 different sizes, and they have some plain ones. They have gold, and they have gold, rose gold, and silver. But you know me, I like everything pink and blush pink. I'm just like naturally drawn to it. I don't know why. It was $5, but I just thought that was a good price because these are like so trendy this year. They have these little houses everywhere. I got more houses. I know you guys have been seeing these, and I literally found these this week. I had been checking the Target dollar spot like for the last like 3 weeks for these things, and I was like, oh my god, they must have put them one day and they just completely gone and they don't have any more, but they do. So I found these cute little houses. Basically they were $3 for each, all the different sizes, and I got all these different ones. I'm thinking about putting these in my kitchen as well because they kind of go with that garland. So I was thinking about putting these like in the back corner of like my counter. So they have a tall one. They're cute. They have little chimneys. These are like so well done. They're adorable. This one's really cute with like the little chimney. And this one is really cute too. Now here's some more like ornaments and things that were $1 from the Target dollar spot. So I'm gonna try and breeze by these because we're gonna be here all day. This is just a metal bow. They had a couple of these different metal bows. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this galvanized bow, but I just thought it was the coolest thing. They have this, again, I'm not even using green, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'll probably give it to my sister or something, or maybe I'll change the tassel to like white string or something. I don't know, but I just liked how it was like a little simple exposed wreath. This little white tree is so cute. I actually saw someone on Instagram put this like in a tier tray. So I may put this in a tier tray, or I may actually put it on my tree. I just thought it was so cute with the bell on the inside, and it's wood. So that was only $1. This one is kind of cool. It reminds me of like a guy's tree. It's like leather. So it's leather, and it like turns into one of those like little bulbs. It's kind of like morphed from being in the pack, but it basically turns into one of those like little bulby things. I thought this was so cool. It has a cute little like mini buffalo checkish plaid thing. You know, I just be shopping. I just be buying shit that I don't need, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, this is a little joy sign. This is not from the dollar spot. It was back in like the workshop spot. It was $3, and I just thought it was really cute because I'm doing gold on my tree. Oh yeah, another ornament is this one. It says "Let's Stay Cozy." It's just like a little fuzzy pink like mug, and then it has this little thing, and then it has little marshmallows in it as like the candy cane and marshmallows. I just thought this was the cutest thing I've ever seen. They also have white ones with gold writing. I think those ones say, I don't remember. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in my tree. I might also put it in a tier tray. We got more from Target. Then I got this bottle brush tree. Their bottle brush trees are kind of pricey this year. They're $5, but I just thought this was really cute. And like I said, I'm trying to do like a little winter wonderland. I already have a ton of bottle brush trees. I buy Target's bottle brush trees like pretty much every year. They put different ones out for like the last 3 or 4 years. So yeah, that was kind of expensive, but I just like that. Next, I have got this cute little sign. It was $3. Again, I'll probably put this in my kitchen because it's like the pink and reddish vibe. Also, they do have a bunch of different little candles in their dollar spot. I will be real, I burnt one of mine already. Well, I started burning it and I couldn't smell it. But they're cute, so why not? This is a really cute one. It's Season's Greetings. Things are gonna get easier. I think I dented this, but it's really cute. It smells so good. What's the flavor of this one? Smoked sugar. Ooh, that is right up my alley. This reminds me of warm vanilla sugar from Bath & Body Works and literally makes me think of high school. Because in high school, I used to spray my warm vanilla sugar like you cannot tell me nothing, okay? I was that big. That one was $3. And here's this one. This one is, oh my God, I think this is my favorite. So this one says Mrs. Claus Famous Milk and Cookies Fresh from the North Pole. That is the cutest little thing ever. It has this gold little lid. It's in like a little baby mason jar. And like, it literally smells like fresh, like chocolate chip cookies when they like melt a little bit. When they're like, the chocolate chip has melted a little bit, like fresh out of the oven when they're like kind of like puffing and cracking. This is literally what that smells like, and like a glass of milk on the side. And I know that probably sounds a little nasty, but like, trust me, it smells so good. This I'm obsessed with. This is only $3. I haven't tried these ones in the jar yet, so I don't know if they have any scent or not. Okay, so I actually am just gonna make this a Target haul, and then I'm gonna make a next miscellaneous, well, not next, the second part will be a miscellaneous one. But let me wrap up from Target, because I have a couple more things. So anyway, this is, you can see right here, just this garland. So I really like this because I thought it was really cute. It just has little gingerbread men on it, but I like that they didn't have any colors in them. They were just like silver and then the exposed wood. All right, so anyway, what I like about this is it comes with a little recipe card, and it's intended to like clip your little recipes to it. These are actually clothespins. And that is just the cutest thing that I've ever seen. I'm trying to get into cooking, so maybe I will actually use these recipe cards. Probably not, but I'm gonna fake it and I'm gonna use one and act like I'm so organized. Maybe take a picture of it. Maybe be that annoying girl like, oh my God, like I'm making cookies for Christmas, like my life is perfect, even though it's not. And then the last thing I got was just some of these Wonder Shop. These aren't from the dollar spot. They're $6 little lights. They are 10 feet and 9 inches long. And they're just like the tiny little like warm lights. I wanted to get these because I feel like you can put these in lanterns. You can put them all over. All right, so that is literally everything from Target. Yeah, okay. That's pretty much everything for this Target video. I am going to be doing part 2. My name's Courtney Lake. If you guys like this video and you want to get your fix of Christmas coziness throughout the end of November and December, hit me up. Wait, hit me up. Subscribe, because like, I'm your Christmas queen. Okay, anyway, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try and be here twice a week, but I am in the process of moving, so my videos will be kind of sporadic for the month. I really can't say when they're going to go up, so make sure you hit that bell. Also, I'm probably going to be doing like some cheesy Christmas movie reviews because like I love cheesy Christmas movies. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. And remember, breathe positivity into the universe and it will come back to you. Bye!